iPhone camera tricks are some of the best features of owning an iPhone. Now with the iPhone 13 and iPhone SE 2022 and newer, we have a new feature to improve our photography. While the default settings are great, sometimes you may want to add a little more pizzazz to all of your photos. This is where the Photographic Styles feature shines. So what are Photographic Styles? They are like camera filters, but once set up, will apply to all of your photos going forward. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss when a new video is posted. Let's get started. Photographic Styles let you set 5 different options in your camera app. And to locate these different styles, you'll want to open the Settings app. You'll want to tap on Camera. Scroll towards the bottom until you see Photographic Styles. Go ahead and tap on Photographic Styles. And then the 5 different styles that you have available are the Standard option, Rich Contrast, Vibrant, Warm, and Cool. Rich contrast brings a slightly more dramatic look with shadows that increase color and contrast. Vibrant enhances bright and vivid color, but still looks natural and not overdone. Warm adds a gold undertone to the photo, while Cool adds a slightly more blue undertone. In each photographic style, you can adjust the tone and warmth setting as you see fit, but you'll do that inside the camera app. Once you make the changes to the settings, they will stay the way you want them to until you make changes again, allowing you to basically edit the image before taking it rather than waiting until the post-shooting phase. You can also apply Photographic Styles to the front-facing True Depth camera. It's crucial to remember that Photographic Styles cannot be removed from the photo once it's shot, and you can't apply a photographic style to an existing photo. Let's jump into the camera app and see how to use Photographic Styles on your iPhone 13 or iPhone SE 2022 or newer. We're now inside the camera app. Be sure that you're on photo mode at the bottom, and then to access the Photographic Styles options, you have 2 ways to do this. You can swipe up in the area right above the shutter where it says Photo. I can swipe up and you'll see that the option menu appears. Another way to do this is to use the little arrow at the top of the screen. So if I tap on the arrow, it will also expose the options that I have available inside the camera app. Now, to access Photographic Styles, you want to tap on this little icon that kind of looks like 3 squares stacked. So if I tap on that, now you'll see that the photographic option appears, and we're in the Standard option. And full disclosure, what you're seeing is a picture on my computer screen, so it may not look that great, but I'm still going to show you how to use the options. So we're in Standard mode, and if I swipe to the left, now you'll see Rich Contrast, and if you want to adjust anything in the Rich Contrast area, you can tap on Tone or Warmth, and then change by using the slider to adjust the contrast that you want. When you're finished, you'll stop. It'll remain in the warmth area, whatever you've changed it to. I can tap on Tone, and I can do the same thing. In the tone area, I can swipe and change that. The other option I have is this little half circle with an arrow to the right here. If I click on that, I can go ahead and reset that rich contrast back to the normal settings. Once I take the photograph, now my camera will be set to that rich contrast going forward. And so if I come out of the camera app, and let's go ahead and come back in, and it's going to kind of look a little wonky because you're seeing my computer screen. Up in the top right corner, you'll see that this is the icon for your photographic styles. And as soon as I clicked on it, it brings it right to rich contrast. So going forward, every time you take a photo, it's going to give you that rich contrast look. You can easily change this setting. All you need to do is once you're inside of the camera app and you see that you tap on the photographic styles, if you swipe to the left to come back to standard, and as long as you're in the standard mode, you're not going to have those photographic styles. So if you're inside of and you've changed it to standard and you swipe out, when I come back in, you'll see that that photographic styles option at the top has been removed. To get back to it, you tap on the little arrow, you tap on the photographic style, you choose the style that you want, and you can kind of get an idea of what it will look like. And then you can change your warmth, you can change the tone, and again, if I take the photo, it immediately is going to remain that way. It's going to stay in that cool photographic style. Again, to get out of it, just swipe back to standard and that photographic style will be removed. Using photographic styles can be a fun option to add edits to your photos before even tapping on the shutter button, allowing you to add filters to your shots. Just remember they can't be removed once added. You can still edit your photo, but the style will remain intact. Give photographic styles a try and let me know in the comments how you like using them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.